When you're cycling in the UK, you never know what you're going to be up against. You can prepare for the climbs, but nothing can get you ready for the vast changes in weather conditions in this environment. These conditions are especially tough on my bike. The Kärcher OC3 makes it easy. It operates at the perfect pressure to remove dirt quickly without damaging any seals or bearings. This portable cleaner holds more than enough water to wash down the whole bike. And with the additional bike box, it only takes a few minutes to make sure it's clean and ready for the next ride before I even get home.